Ini ke coba itu malu yang bom dolo lagi IM mol sing timu IM diubri maslai IM nun sing teron IM rites inghi IM muduram lekte IM Prabhat Chandra Terang IM Bili Mohon Khaglari lapen ke IM Sangpi Rina Terangpi IM Sangpi Kacerong Pipi IM Dilutulma Hasnu lapen IM Madhujjob Dikyal Phukon alang domphan itum chang se po pakar sepanchoneri lo asufi kachopa luhyang bongpen MSc Pubitra Rongpi MSc Pawan Kumar MSc Joni Timung MSc Hersing Rongphar MSc Obhijit Kro MSc Long Bison Be MSc Kadam Sangpi Kadam Terangpi MSc Sarabon Telenga MSc Mukut Mohanto MSc Kangbora Kiling MSc Dr. Mongwe Rongpi MSc Phengpiga Rengma MSc Krishna Bhattarai apthakta Difu Town Difu Municipal Board along a chairman Rakro alang pada chuang pada si poh pak pakar sepanchoneri lo la Sophie La Sophie dolang ilatum Union Minister of State Government of India Barim Benasing T MP Barim Dr. Jayanta Rongpi MP Barim Horen Singh Be lapen Assam Minister Barim Khorsing Terang Assam Minister of State Barim Holeram Terang CM Barim Jotson Be CM Barim Mojari Hanse CM Barim lapen MLA Joyram Ingleng lapen ke MLA Barim Dharm Singh Teron MLA Barim Jagat Singh Ingti MLA Barim Monsing Rongpi MLA Barim Dipendra Rongpi MLA Barim Hemsing Tiso MLA Barim Dr. Mansing Rongpi MLA Barim Klengdoning Ti lapen ke Managing Director Gargyot Toyota and pen Rahul Dev Sharma lapen ke Toyota Kislokar Motolong General Manager lake Sachin Sharma lapen Station Director All India Radio Difu apthakta Toyota hin pen Relic Chanda Marketing hin lo lang lapata popak pakasupanchoneri lo lapen Sophie karbiserong tamam ame mai pu ke hai lapen ke mai pu longri krihini sarabia mai pu karbirong saramai mai pu karbirong sar Karbianglo rong saramai Maipu Hempu Mokrang Adorbar Maipu United Christian Forum Maipu Lukhimon Songho Dolamora Maipu Vaisong Sar Hongthamamai Maipu Karbikur Phamai Maipu Rasinja Song Dipu Lapenke Maipu Sorkari Gangbora Association Lapenke Maipu Karbianglong Sports Association, Maipu Karbi Film Society, Maipu Karbianglong Jila Sahitya Sabha, Maipu Bodo Sahitya Sabha, Karbianglong District, Maipu Dimasa Sahitya Sabha, Maipu Tiva Sahitya Sabha, Maipu Dipu Sahitya Sabha, Maipi Karbianglong Jila Mohila Samiti, Maipi Assam Lekhika Samaruh Karbianglong District Committee, Maipi Assam Lekhika Samaruh Dipu Branch Committee, Maipu Dipu Bangthea Sem Dumra, Maipu Bhayam Karbi Darbar Guwahati, Maipu Nogon District Karbi Organization, Maipu Karbianglong Garu Union, Maipu Dimasa Cultural Society, Maipu Rengma Naga Cultural Society, Maipu Tiva Cultural Society, Maipu Kuki Cultural Society, Maipu Mantai Cultural Society, Maipu Mark Culture Society, Maipu BJP Karbilang District Committee, Maipu Karbilang District Congress Committee, Maipu Autonomous State Demand Committee, Chunbang CPI, ML Dipu, Maipu All Party Hills Leaders Conference, Maipu Karbilang Autonomous State Demand Committee, Maipu Karbi Risau Dorbar, Maipu Joint Action Committee for Autonomous State Jakas, Maipu Karbi Anglong Indigenous Youth Association Dipu, Maipu ex-MEC Welfare Society Dipu, Maipu Karbi ex-Voluntary United Forum Dipu, Maipu Karbi Students Association, Maipi Karbi Nipso Chingthorasong, Maipi Karbi Soarlo Amai, Maipu Karbi Employees Association, Maipu Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Employees Association, Maipu Hodo Home Kormasari Parishad Karbi Anglong Unit, Maipu Karbi Soarlo Assem Dumra, Maipu Karbi Unemployed Youth Association Kuya, Maipu Karbi Anglong Fine Arts and Craft Association, Maipu Karbi Students and Youth Council, Maipu Karbi Anglong High School Teachers Association, Maipu Karbi Anglong M School Teachers Association, Maipu Karbi Anglong Primary Teachers Association, Kapta Dipu, Maipu Karbi Farmers Association, Maipu All Assam Karbi Students Association, Maipu Karbi Anglong Indigenous Youth Association, Maipu United Karbi Youth Association, Maipu Jambli Literary Foundation, Maipu All India Students Association, Maipu Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Karbi Anglong Unit, Maipu National Student Union of India Karbi Anglong Unit, Maipu All Body Students Union, Maipu All Assam Students Union ASU Karbi Anglong Unit, Maipu All Adivasi Student Association of Assam ASA Karbi Anglong Unit, Maipu Dimasa Students Union, Maipu All Tivai Students Association, Maipu Rengma Naga Students Union, Maipu Tarlangso Youth Committee, Karbi Risumsu Rongaje along Maipu Barim Lapengke Kongchuma Barim Kidwan, along to Ban Kachopa, along to Maluhilo, as along to Manutina Panta, Itum Poe Pak, Lapen Sarlo Pulutante, Konjil Sue Pak, Pen Kasui Panchonarilo. Lapen Regional Lapen ke State Pen ke Doan, a journalist at Tum Panta, reporter to Manta, Pak Popena Choino Nantum. Amar Jiman reporter আছে জার্নালিস্ট আছে আমার কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ আৰু অসমৰ যদি অসমৰ বাহিৰৰ পৰা যদি অহা কোনোবা আছে মই সকলোলৈকে এখন পোহৰে সম্বোধন জনাবলৈ মই অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ। Itu kopilo, itu kalbi jutang song amangke patek vek amai pu barim, akai lun setimung nonang le elo, selang le panta pohoy pak pen kacuy panili chonerilo. La Sophie Tirika mamai pentapini da kacitong aluhi sarpo aluhi jutang sang mai po kai tumpan po pak pakar cui polam do salang tumpan se apor pipon lo.
Sertalin kejutan ingkan bini closing ceremony Golden Jubilee Karbi Youth Festival reception committee ahin pen nilitumta CM chief guest laban ke presiden laban Karbi dicho bad dais ke dua teman pan nilitum ahin penda gamsai pak tipi dia pansi jisigi kalau manu ayo ruko sen
non tirika mame ahin pen alhi tumpan poe pak parcho bom lo lasila parcho bom lo na lasila songba ko tum cheng tu da na thar ni pyong song lo lasina adun thu la bangke ilitum amai phu la penke kachapa lu sar po ilitum atheng no hawar me tum ka chewan abong krok alang tum bathu kang leja polo si hawar me tum komama akling sarpu dolo pote na tum abong krok chewan pen prap jin pen na tum itu ma mai phu la pen ke dak alu sarpu alu tum atheng no na tum abong krok inglek no bong krok kang le polo prap ong me lo de kalite na tum apyong ani su ching tang na re po
Putot karcho terpan kacunri kangtung lahan lo non kibom itong akong chunbang akehai sarbida sing rong pi phans tame karbi apu hoi papen karcho ponji phansi chunri glo
moi pe teng ni thujang lo jo ile tum jutanga song along dun mai phu lo pe non kang vai mek mai phu kai do hum sing be selang phanta dak hong jai rong ke mai pa chunri lo Cholang le pata po pa pa chonon la penon kang vai me kil tum akong chun bang kai do sunil tok bi talang pata po pa pa choi no
Hello.
Nah, ko pailo. Jorolo itum hawar mai along pen kleng sarpo tum alang tum mengke cebana bongkrok ilu tum mai pu la pen ke alui sarpo pen danglok alui ke thek ding tum han hor bong le elo nasi itu madun tu asai dam thun na la bangke lama kang thur lo lama kang thuri bang ilu tum amai pu kai son singkro la selang son singkro kai phan lama kang thur aklamon dam phan chonu lo
atau wes tame ini pen temesan po.
Corolo, ilutum kacing hon, karbi jutang song amai pua kai sono singkrupen, ilutum kacing hon nai, ang tek lo, jutang jupak ceng ho tek la so lama, ang pangjar pielo, asi non kenili alang lipan lama kang tur alam thi kejai paci ni chuniri lo, alang li ilutum jutang song amai pua kai sono singkrupen.
May pu alam thi phokebra isi angdeng karbiru silum sorong aje thang thang nipai kre phopen kre sirkep surine kora pho karbi people's hall taralang so dipu karbi anglong pini thang thang nipai kre trok surihini reng kora pho ni phokebra isi angdeng karbiru silum sorong aje kecing si song alama kengri cepamai rapet kacopa aluhisar po Dr. Tuliram Ronghang CM Karbiang Long Autonomous Council manpeng ke tepar pik sar long sing ronghang Karbirecho sar Omar Singh Tiso MP MLA ke Hayatung sar Kam Singh Hanse Mei pu Karbiramera Mei IM MSC Doang Pin po Habe Rongasar Rubasar Basapi Ahemaripi Duhuidi Duhuyang Klengdun Klengsarpo Kacepate Riso Yang Lapen Kacopa Asong Tin Pen Kebang Mai Pukong Chunbang Atung Do Anapan Nalitum Kado Kabe Apan Nili Lapen Karbi Jutang Asong Ahim Pen Ning Kan Kimi Ahir Jume Lapen Jutang Kacing Hona Kardom Nang Pajiriglo Kardom Jutang kabia kei pupe lamet kabia kei pupe isi akai apan jutang pensipang tekji lapen kei kiti kerengke lamet lam jong apan si cikiji lase jutang han lo kei arje lamet han lo kei acite puki pudam kei along peneng peningkan pokep aprang alam jong si mathadam pulute halabang so aporohut kei along jutang jubat lapen pindeng sumporamo kibir det ji angdeng ansi dolo pusona porohut akehai roing hi Jona Singh Terang Lawrence Teron lunse timung pencenglok alang li tumari asangho atung nangkapor iya jok Farukre sirkep atroksi kepra plianingkan karbi club rong nehang di pualong karbi rusin sorong aje lapen Farukre sirkep atroksi Arkoy ciklu thong kebarni karbi jutang asong amahang nang pathek si ang thun chimit me pin pen jutang jubat lapen pindeng sumporamo kang thurpon lapen kiki ke khan pon ajoine si pini arni an kheyalong jutang jubat lapen pindeng sumpot nang kacing thurpusi pudam nang kokji lasi karbi rusulim torong aje lapen karbi jutang asong amahang kapathek nangkapat hega ke heroin hi pencenglok
hello check
karbi jutang asong alamat ini tumakai jutang padamu hangnak di tanang ne jutang jubat pensi khei phan arje amumang nang pibom lasi cheng buru ke jutang ang thek lu pusi songa hinten ke mang pong bap thili ke khei ari simang thek lu athe karibia khei ke inglong asol pen chutuki chong hoya su binong sok theng the kachehon bu pri u ching ki hung i ari sim pusi hok pon si mate khei ari sim lo karibir sinim so rong aje karcho katalon ang thun chimit me pin pen sertalin asengkan nang katalon long lapen peneng pokebra isi ang deng songolama keng di kechepa mai thulong lake khei akopailo pusi pudamang kokji karbi jutang jubara song kachari ang thun asongja atum nang ke khi ke khan kechepa duk lapen a hokpet ke klem kedam a joine pusi pudamang kokji nona por khei ang kang thimpu kachipu idun long ke jutang jubat pindeng sumpot lapen porom puthi kang chok long alam ilitum kai tanang chethan longbom bon ta peneng kan pokep aprang alam jong simathadam puluti imun kludam bi senam athala bang so porohut phusar phisara tum kapamutekang aporom puthi pen chenglok pindeng sumpot anta nang bir rang angdeng anlo lapuson aporohut karbiru sunim so rong aji lapen karbi jutang asong amang nang ketheke khei achethesi nang kang thun lo pusi pu tam nang kokji lasi rong aji lapen song amang nang kapathek we kat ma phan churure une lapen alang le tum anong nam karbia phurki mo pharalong owe surya kai sita seramek pen klarbor sidoji khei jutang jubat porom puthi lapen pindeng sumporamo kang sir kang chap kirim kibi lapen kang thurpon aphan isi jutang ahem tun pi mate jutang aklam akenang sotpu ateng sikedam tang 1994 parukresir kebra plianing kan taralang so along halabang so hut karbiang long autonomous council kachari akai dr jentorong pi cem dhorong sing teron dr sar sing terang chandrokanto torang jotson be pen chenglok msc lapen mla tuma kerap pen karbi people hols mate karbi jutang ahem tun pipu amen irsi kim kerang nang pangcheng lo lase alang li tuma phan karbi jutang asong ahin pen suru siri kachuro pajir lo bonta angbong malom sonsuri ahin pen suri sonsuri alam pen song angbong nang chetaksi rong aje la pen song thireng jeng ason sinang mamdo lagi mingduk de un e pusona porohut song eklai wet ketu thek je phan song hiniang bong son suri alam chikbur se roy si song eklai wet nang do si rong aje ilong wet nang talon bom si bang bom lo bonta puthot karbi jutang ching thura mai pu nang ke sing thua joine rong aje pasan chom krai pasan chom thu krai le lo bangso aputhak rong aje aklam ilong wet kapaman thu ji aphan pura akai doktor tuliram rong hang siam karbiang long autonomous council akai surjo rong par karbiang long autonomous council penan parta ke ongdong karbi atum ke ongdong karbi atum nang kabor iduna joine non an rong aje lapen karbi people soul kacelang alon ke do alam ke ongdung akar biara ratung cini pame lase alang litum kado ka be do anaphan nili lapen karbi jutang asong ahin pen kachuru pajir lo nili ke damtang ingkoi laner kep angbong song lapen rong aje nang kachari kecok je kele do an jutang kachinghon karbi ara ratung nang dija pupusi ning thelo kebang jelang arni khei kereng verjia phan song ahin pen kedeng pon jutang jubat porom puthi amo kang thurpon angdeng tin asayang dengalong khei along ketheke ding ketheke re pen jenglok karbi arat doan nang serap chitu dun verjia phan ning aklong pen chuni si puthot bang phutina phan jutang akadong pajir si nilam the pon si ri cheklo jutang han lo khei je lamet han lo khei achithe kaching room han lo khei ale karbi jutang asong achithe pading nang kardong
choro lo ilo tum mamai pu ka hai pan lama thota pi lama kang thor lam the ke jai pe pan apen kachuni la pehlo hawara me tum na tum la so lama kang thora sai ju jiti ke dak aklam pen chiuri na tum chong thelo songe chok chide ji sina tum no holo to sitame kache bang thui pan chuneri lo tenon ele tum la so ro je kang pu duji sita kang pu ji aprang ele tum dak ke kan pak lain pusipu la sing lang per hawara me pen chong ching nang prap jin pen dak pak lain ma chuneri lo lang tum dak si chitik pa lo jo la se hawara me tu hawar hokol job jene ke ase আমার এই আকলামত থাকিব লাগে আপোনালোকে আকলাম এৰি নাযাব
Hello, check. Hello. Hello, check. Hello. So once again, each and every one of you, welcome to the 51st Karbi Youth Festival here at Karbi People's Hall, Darvalang. So ladies and gentlemen, as this is the opening ceremony of the 5 days event of this cultural event. And of course, it's been a wonderful journey. If we talked about the history of Karbi Youth Festival, truly community festivals,
la ke kanji tum chisik lo pacheta non ko na tum chisik ba do kok tha ele tum la ra je kang pu bang ka phrang rong padai ke kanji tum chithik mi do kok la si non le tum la so ra je kang pu le pangcheng lo nang la si le tum ra je kang pu ji aphan ka chopha alui sar podo ake hai autonomous council acm tuleram rong ha selang na pasi la kang pu sai mo sinili paklem phachoni re lo si siam ake hai
CEM, or the Chief Executive Member of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, is going to inaugurate this 51st edition of Karbi Youth Festival, as you can see. So let's listen to him, what he has to say.
Jutang hino kaya raje, lamet hino kaya chethe, kachingri hino kaya le, pucheng ponse, ingdeng phokerai si Karbi risonim sorong aje katalon laso katalon kang puamai long iletum kaching honai ninga jethenai Karbi Cultural Society diripi amai phu sonnon singro ke hai lapen ke la somai long na chatong non thu ile tum gachatong gachathenai ning gachathenai Karbi richo long sing rong ha ke hai lapen Karbi Autonomous Council Speaker Raju Tiso ke hai lapen ke 6 ST Parliamentary Consensus MP Omor Singh Tiso ke hai lapen ke ingdeng phoke raisi Karbi risrim surong aje katalon tirika mamai phu mate di phu LA konsensi MLA bidasing leng ke hai lapen la somai long na chatong tho elitum ninga che thenai lapen ke Karbi risonim surong aje ame hang ka pthek cheng abang phu abari ma chairman Karbi Autonomous Council roing ya ke hai lapen ke Karbi risonim sorong aje along mai phu nun seti mua ke hai pendang lok Padmosuri Dhane Soring tia ke hai MLA Dorsing rong ha ke hai Dumra Karbi richo rong hang Pulising rong ha ke hai pendang lok dana chatong don thu Karbi lamet amai phu ben cheng lok nangai cetong untuk nilong kam nang klem rapet Karbi Autonomous Council IEM kai pidon emisi kai pidon Karbi Cultural Society tiripiai akon junbang bida singrong pia kai pendang lok oko puthot akimi Karbi Cultural Society amai phu sing pia kai pendang lok kon junbang Sunil dok pia kai penceng lok tiri pia long kacara duna bang puang pikedoan lapen ka hin pen hawar pen ke bang hawar amai phu penceng lok kon junbang penceng lok kacepate duna bang puang pikedoan lunse po de huidi lapen ke pinidak ingdeng phokerai si Karbi risenum sorong aje katalon long cetong rapsar abang puang pikedoan aprang sinili lason eklai vet ningi sipiat pen kacing rum tega pot Karbi det Karbi atum ta khai kang tim emetanga jutang jubat emetanga pendeng sumpot chokli ba khai pu laso eklai vet kacing rum tega pot parti dhorom ji pupe pin pen ile tum eklai vet kacing rum tega pot nili Karbi Autonomous Council mate Karbi Anglong alat hoi pen tini une pin lakau une pin kacuro la pen kaldom pajir lo kaldom non mang lihat tum hula pige do tum ke kang ilong le do ciar pene jetang te la siap prang sini li pangdak kon lo pininga sengkang Karbi Cultural Society tiri piapan mesena ciar suri pho konsil pen pipon bobo si pangdak bonlo don mang lihat tu nang itu yang si cekroisa la Karbi Cultural Society tiri pia jo atum yang si cekroisa pulong te il tu majutang jubat bil the hi thielong apa cetang proji apat nang itu yang si cekroi pulong te Muninga sengkana bangke dilhierong sopila Karbi disinim serong aja talan ponat laben Karbi Anglo Autonomous Council pensi budget tahu hok pon lor pensi nilipi pon bok saya Tuhan pangdak pon dan seni Syria pon danang laben ke la soprang ke ala tum jas penceng lo jas penceng lok lapen ke tiri piatum ke alang tua prang dam bompo lapen itu Karbi Autonomous Council penta ninga klong pen Department Officers ke doan nang cerap cetodun po pusina tumpan tangdak ponon hardum yang si cekroi sar pulang te ate dilierong sopia lok boro tum yang si adak boro official bidam thek pulang te ile tum ke ban nai lapen choklim akhai lake ile tum Karbi tum hino ile tum man 6 dong nang pita me 17 November 1952 je Karbi tum ta pegrap 28 tum ta Jubat elami ki penceng lok ilun tomo choklim lapenang parta mele to sports data me emethang hu ke cheng pen ne tum Karbi tum dolo pu ben soe jaga to laso ka pathu hambi ka pathu penceng lok helong ka pathu penceng lok lahai tel tu sports do emethang a chitia la sini lipang dak bonlo ahawar tin phat khampi ga pathuja dim Karbi Autonomous Council pen Art and Culture Department pen claim pon po sini li na tuan pang dak bonlo khampi ga pathuja thai don mang lihat to eklai vet ke do joine ning si pet pen parti dhorom ji pupe pina joine pen Juning abang ke ile tum keng dong dang tame Guinness World Record along tale tum to dung lo pir the along tale tum chithang tum flup lo ile tum ta la ke keng dong da la son da thak sil tum Delhi along lo tum chekroi sar pulong te hoda ke ile tum Prime Minister Pan Hang na President of India Pan Hang na ke chenge Prime Minister ke jura bang ke President of India la pen hodak si ye tiri pietum ajil ringklui penitum gache song ye ningkan thong kera sirke Bharat ka chariya ronlong ke tok da Article 2448 tame tiri PMI phu welcome speech Prime Minister la pen President of India theng no hem pek nang pibek nang yipulitum ningje tunlong poton marle tum Parti dorom jipunang ne eklai vet sil tum donang ji ete name PG ke central government hemprek ke state government nang piu ne name PG ke central government si nang PG je karbia tum da khai kan tim eme thang pindeng sumpot elami ki etemo choklim puke karbia tum lasinile tum banta siksidul ke chadorde itu mangke autonomous state nang pinangji Bharat ka chariya ronglong ke tok da athe Goa pe no Sikkim pe no Tripura pe no ili tuma hawar si the munang west kar bianglong iskar bianglong pangrum pette la sidon no le to ino taine tum social media long theklong long kar bi chingrum repu kar bi ka chingrum eklai vet ke dosi dahang lasi eklai vet sil tum ka chingrum election hot ke lake chingrum re ro lake bangit aning hang tum nge jok jampo lake mane ka aning hang pe CPML phan aning hang te CPML phan pipo SC phan aning hang lake SC phan pipo Congress phan aning hang pulong te Congress phan pipo lake el tum lake pangrum mune sita el tum ka chingrum e nalo karbi lameta mai hala da el tum chingrum ningkane sekedo parti dhorom chipupe lapenalo ka chingrum ile tum karbi risonim sorong aje katalot ningkane sek karbi people hultara lang solong la sile tum la son thot ile tum karbi tum jele tum ining ke me ing thin ke me ajoine sipini eklai vet dolo don marli tum apora dolo nang tum pinan ka chingtang tum ni tum dang song e domesen hoda ke alni sodak la silam ningge oelo piningkan laningkan etile tum Assam government pentame ile tum chief minister pan hang pensi je karbianglong autonomous council pen chuning rilo la pen ke tiripi tum tame ala tum ta pinpur lo pidun pen je state government pentame karbi rison sorong aje katalon ningkan isip ningkar sek aphan kuti ke thom ile toma panong lor hokpon lok pen bajar long itu manang thik pilo la perang parta karbelo autonomous council holo tamye nitum kuti sipan nitum bajar long hokpon lor pen sipipon lo la perang parta nitum choro le teune karbiang long woreng warsai ke claim tum andame one day basic pay salary ile tum hatang people la ile to bili tum phara Richard Pisnan la woreng war sai kleman tum ta jele to jutang jubat pangcho wel rangji ile to jutang jubat pil thelo thilong pa thang wel nang ya phat alang tum nang cherap chetu dun lo don mar liat tum nili non na tum phan ahin pen ke bang aterang tin awar tin kacopate dun bang puang pietum phan puthot nilihin pen hempu mukrang phan hirjume chohang lo nang tum asai tin dame kacupate tim dame na tumlong kata ana mahir jume na piting samjin penelitong karbi surim sorong aja katalon ingdeng pokera isi lasto ke chok mo ile tuming samjin pen talon pon pola pen tum tame ing samjin pen cepate pon popu ninggesi nilingdeng pokera isi karbi surim sorong aja katalon niling pupon na popu pacinisi laben tiripi etong pan ninga klok pen coro lalang itu nilipat lo sawal saya nang pia pot lasi nili hin pen suri akadom pajersi nilam saya tang ton kalau kadom.
So that was CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council,
Chorolo,
Dr.
eletum
Tuliram Ronghang, briefing and of course inaugurating
amai
the
along
51st
kecapapon
Karbi Youth Festival.
alui sarpo eletum jumisen pe tum pan nang thanik lo eletum marong aja nang pupilo le pelang ni pe ke pangdak asonanta karbi jutang song hin pen deng dolo pen chorolo la sela sofi no hajong nili katram dolo lang per hawara mai hin pen chong ching nang asap so prabjin pe pak nang pan chonori lo.
So after the inauguration of the 51st Karbi Youth Festival, Karbi traditional
Keceng pansuning reglo.
So that's the inaugural dance of the 51st Karbi Youth Festival here at this very stage, Rangsina Sarpo stage. The dance troupe of the Karbi Cultural Society is just demonstrating the Karbi traditional dance called Chongching Nang here. It's quite sensational and a lot of pleasance here at the Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso. We are commemorating the closing ceremony of the Golden Jubilee celebration. So as you can see on the screen, this is the traditional dance, the warrior dance called Chongching Nang, and these signifies the inauguration of this year's Karbi Youth Festival. Community festivals evolving from a popular movement for the cultural renaissance in the late 1960s. We are commemorating the closing ceremony of the Golden Jubilee celebration.
Pero lo lang per hawar me pe ka pen chong si na so pran ka pu le lo koma hawar me tu ma dak pen ka da ma tum lo pro tang te na tum ke cepat te long pe nong na pen apoi ni si si than ji ka sin na tum dam long le na bang che wai chu na gi la sok lam che bang thunon ka le te na tum mok ke long ta pon pen poi si si than po la dak pen koma hawar si da pen dam ji ma la tum ke tum mo apon tham ji Kasi daw so pi sito lang dumra hawar mai pen domahi ke kanji bodo si atau paprapin ben kama chuni lo ama dumra hawar mai to pora to ko domahi lokoni to ta production ko bisar se motu loko uti khonkale production kuribole ono jonaisu
So that was the
Kado
Bang
gawe
Jarki Khan.
jutang
The
ka
dance
timanara
form is an indispensable
isi ningarong
part
abirtalo
of outer courtyard. The house
Nonherjong
only youngsters and a
ilitung
kind of bamboo
karbia
pole.
khei ninga chethe
And while Kikan
labet
makes
karbiang
dance,
long chot kali karbia khei apan isi
and the recent dance we
Kemesen
have
la posong
just
thek
seen
nang kelang
is
thek.
exactly not
Abang
Banjar
ku
Kikan, but in
ilit
fact it's
masi
Chong
yang
Kidam.
makai
It is a
tortulir
competing
mga kapandang.
dance, form of the Karbis,
moneng abang ke phoke bare hiang
and
deng
it is also known
karbi
as the
sim sorong aje
warrior
ke
dance.
dilhirong supialong ki biji apan salang lianing kaang la so teng pen nilitum karbi jutang asong akimi la pen aban angbong pen la bangsa puthak nilitum cedon dun lo choki ke di
The Karbis is of course the principal tribal community that still practices their traditional and religious festivals and so on. And of course some of the folk dance of the Karbis, and one of also dance which is called Nimso Kirung, a ritual dance and which is presented during the Chumankan festival. And it is somewhat like a bidding farewell to their permanent abode of rest, and it is joyous and localities as well. And the word Nimso means maiden, and Kirung means picking up maiden for dance. There is also another dance in Karbi culture called Banjar Kikan. This dance form is an indispensable part of Chumankan festival, and it is performed in the courtyard of the house, and only youngsters can take part, and the youngsters can take a bamboo pole, while Kikan means dance in Karbi language. There is also another dance which is called Chongkedam, as we have recently seen, performed by the Karbi Cultural Society, and it is a combating dance form of the Karbis as well. There is also another dance which is called Kithir Kekan, and this dance is performed inside the room when few boys dance and keeping in the rhythm with the drums beat. And not to forget, ladies and gentlemen, there is a prominent dance in Karbi culture called Hacha Kekan, and this is performed during the harvesting session, and this is performed within the traditions and enthusiasms and gaiety, and it is tuned by a singer called Dun Sepo. And also one of the famous dance, and which is known to be Ritnongching Dikekan. This is a traditional dance form of the Karbis, relating with one of their seed sowing festivals, which is performed in the month of April. And these dance demonstrate various stages of the process of cultivations, right from the sowing seeds to the reaping of the crops. One of the dance which is also called Lempung Sukchon Kikan. This dance is also called the bamboo dance in Karbi culture, and these performed during the harvesting festivals. And this dance, the dancing folk move by stepping forward alternatively in and across pairs of horizontal bamboos. So that was Domahi dance from Dumra Karbi. Just announced that the Karbi Cultural Society's Borjan zone will be performing Nimso Kirung here. As I have been mentioning about Nimso Kirung, a ritual dance recital which is presented during the Chumankan festival, and it is held in honor of the family members who passed away. It is somewhat like a bidding farewell to their spirit prior to their departure from the earthly world to their permanent abode of rest. It is a joyous and festive celebrations of young boys and girls, men and women, and at the same localities as well. So now the Borjan KCS zone will be performing Nimso Kirung here on your screen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the closing ceremony of the Golden Jubilee celebration here at Karbi People's Hall, Langso. We are of course commemorating the oldest and largest ethnic festival of northeastern states of India, and truly community festivals evolving from a popular movement for the cultural development. The Karbi Club of Rongnihang in Gifu, which was born in 1973, where it becomes the center of activities for the Karbi youth and students, where They discussed and prepared for the cultural renaissance and for the cultural development in the late 1960s. And issues like demanding of autonomous states, Romance scripts, and varying traditional attire to schools and colleges, these were the main agendas of organizing Karbi Youth Festival. Late 1970s, the time where the government at that time suppression to the Karbi people and by arresting leaders at random. So in one such detention, the idea of organizing Karbi Youth Festival was of course born inside the four walls of Gifu jail. So while the leaders in custody, they research and imagine in Karbi youth through the cultural initiatives. And the Karbi Club of Rong Nihang hosted the inaugural Karbi Youth Festival in the year of 1974. And since then, the Karbi Youth Festival is going on and on. And this time around, it is a 51st edition of Karbi Youth Festival 2025, commemorating the closing ceremony of the Golden Jubilee celebration. Despite all the struggles, challenges, the Karbi people continue to strive for Hempreg, which is known as autonomous state within the states of Assam, and also promoting the culture and heritage and the language, the foods, music is still on. This time, the Karbi People's Hall Taran Sobe, which is known to be more than 500 big halls, which has been signed for Karbi Youth Festival every year. As you can see on the screen is Nimso Kirum, and ritual dance recital during the Chumankan festival. The word Nimso means young, and Kirum means picking up the young for dance. And in this dance, a young woman who is flanked by two young men, and it does goes on interlocking each other, crafting Nimso Kirum dance according to the drum's beat. During the Nimso Kirum, Duhuji and Duhujangs, they are the persons who beats the drums, and the drummers, they are called Duhuidi Duhujang. Ladies and gentlemen, music plays an important role in the life of Karbis. In Karbi societies, there are songs for every occasions. Also, Kapadok Alun is a lullaby consisting of 3 segments, which Tua Ia Aladung Aladung, and so on. There is also another song which is called Ovi Alun, or love songs, which the songs are sung beautifully, compositions of expressing the loves between boys and girls in every delicate way. Ovi Alun is also known as Bong Oi Alun. Some of the Bong Ois, or the love songs, It is a recital with the high esteems and important genre of recounting the past history of the Karbis. Similarly, during the marriage ceremony of the Karbis, Adam Asar Alun is sung, which has 4 stages: Thap Keplang Alun, Bong Keplang Alun, Lun Telu, or Telu Alun, and Arnam Kehang Alun. So different festivals are celebrated by the Karbis, and of course different occasions as well.
Jorolo, ilo tuhan boljan hawa merpen lang mesen nim sugru na baklang thekbot ang tuhan ke baklang tum kadu itu manda ni kadu wa hinten joro pajurlo asofi dam thuno na non ingdeng hini sap belajo nona bangke lokimu souvenir kangpu lapala ikudela pulotete itu bang troksi angjir pada kote itu ban nong ega nong ega karcuji polam do nong ega lo to man karcuji polam do nasi lalu te ketang lo nasi aprangsi Tiri ka mame pen ka paklang souvenir. Laso bang kapu ponji pan iletum pini alui sarpo la pen itum jutang song ame pu tu machenili chonerilo.
Ladies and gentlemen, now the souvenir is going to be launched in presence of the CEM of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. As you can see, this is the annual souvenir of the Karbi Youth Festival, which is published by the souvenir subcommittee of the Karbi Youth Festival.
Da pini iletum dak jodong tu alui sarpo kai CM tulur mong hang la peke iletum jutang song ame pu bani ta pangdango pisipolang tum ingpu pilo. Tiri ka mame ka paklang alukimo
Mukimo nili pan arpu nang pek teng pen nili ingpu pon lo pusi pacinik lo.
Corolo lapen
Lapen isi tang dak bon lang. Cunili along aprek rapen interaction program kita mahut penan harwa ramai tum hodak ke kan chong ke cheng nang pen cheng lok men sugrung pen cheng lok lahai nai kan nun tum pan ili pang dak bon lo Karbi Rislim sorong aja talon long hodak anesan nang pidun populasi nili hin pen mate Karbi Autonomous Council pen la habar tin da pan arnisi anesan bangke nak pipon popusi pacini lo nilihin pena
Tiri cara ma kadung eta
latum hina peklang pon cupidu ka tum kela an hino je ake hai sonru singkro ke hai lapen ke konchun bang bida singrong pia ke hai lapen ke bida singleng ke hai Richard tok pia ke hai lapen ke lada ke latum bangke kang capatum lo surjurong para ke hai lapen ke soi singrong pia ke hai lapen ke on terona ke hai lapen ke sangpi karon hanse pia ke hai pi lapen ke welsin hanse ake hai lapen ke romening tia ke hai lapen birenan se ke hai tumsi ing capono la tumsi paklang iklo
Corolo iletum alui sarpo hin pen tiri ka mame item ke paklang jutang amanim pulaso asobide kang pu piepon la penona bangke adunu tam thunang la bangke karcho asayang de nilitum jutang song pen bang troksi angjir la pen kote dum pan karcho duni ning hang ase administration na hin la pen ke law and order la pen ke kapathu la pen phir thaka hin lo la pen ke toklang education hin lo la pen lamet literature hin la pen ke beta chala journalist hin ase afransi iletum Karbi Sorlong Bong Pen District Commissioner ke Long Dun Cheng ake hai pi sangpin rola phangchu pi aphan Karbi Sorlong Bong laso District Commissioner ke Long Dun Cheng lo laso posi alang pani tum Karbi jutang song hin pen karcho jining hang lo lasile to mamai pu pansi laso karcho lo ke pajir panchoneri lo Karbi people so tara langso karbi wemi aphan tawar kimi paklang ponlo lasi monon phita nangli te claim kida ma sontin amo we kimi aphan kaike ning pathe la pen ning arlo kabod iya jakong pathe po pusi ning thelo nangli khai hamphang apharman laso nongme ke wan jok penta pangbarone karbi youth festival sartalin talondet puthot phokabra siang reng katalona hot nang le phan laso kachoro ki pipen anpar kcs ari deng thang ta ve ke claim ke dam ki ke khan mila thot aphan arna meherjuwe nang lilong kai keta padolona kardom sono singkro mai phu karbi jutanga song tiripia mai lapan bidasing rongpi kongchun bang karbi jutanga song tiripia mai asi itum bini mai pu apan se Francis la pu pajir paneli chunuri po
Felicitation to Nirola Phangshopi, ACS, who has been appointed as the Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, and she is the first Karbi to be appointed as a Deputy Commissioner. As you can see, she is being felicitated by Chandra Singh Kro, President of Karbi Cultural Society, in presence of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Nirola Phangshopi, a prominent bureaucrat, and she has also served as a secretary in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
Law and order hin aphan itu ke parjening ha ke long ni terang alang lita Karbi Angbong pen is APS pen IPS so ke long cheng bang lo sita lang li pini wang vedet ni pini bon ahem masor mani do malaho jong si long nit terang ahem masor mani do polote lang do ban pidun me sita alang ni wang unidet ji pusi tupan bita nang pale se wang vedet lo bon mo sing tu pale tu po la so phi kapathu sports ahin la bangke badminton master game kapathu ningkan surhi rai koira free la pen ningkan surhi koira pho ningkan heni sita alang li bang kaita che pai dun that ti first position se ke long la se lang li men ke kache teron pi lang li ke non ke dobam cm a masarik lo salang li phan la so ningkan heni so chepal chepai dun take opportunity to Karbi jutang song pen alang phan thapi mo weda sita la karcho lo pajir dun.
Now, Longit Terang will be felicitated.
Karbi Cultural Society
He
Central
is the
Committee
first IPS, nominated IPS among the Karbis. He will be felicitated now as a proud moment for the people of Karbi Anglong. That from law and order sections, Mr. Longit Terang, now he is promoted to IPS. So he will be felicitated at this point in time. But due to some unavoidable circumstances, Mr. Longit Terang couldn't be here with us because of his busy schedule. But his family members will be coming here to attend and to receive the award.
Nangling hembrid kaboche apuna chak kechok penaparata Karbi jutanga song ahin pen kedeng pon Karbi resumso rong aje pen chenglok jutang kang thurpon ang deng tin along bidi sore lapen hoor kipidun alam Karbi arara tum chini pame lake nangli pan nangli chorori une nangli Karbi akhe swar arlong bong pen badminton kapathua mo batai seranong e gelongdun anong nam kache thang alam Karbi arat atum chini pame lage Karbi arat akopai pusi pudam nang kokjim kewang jilang ani nangling hembrit kabochi เป็นเชงลกจุตังจุบัดกังทุรปนลงหออร์นังกิปีดุนละเป็นเกกับปัทัวมูอันสุเซเคอพันนองนำนางวันปีอีกจีปุสีการบิอารัตโดอันตัววารังโจลังอีกดิ่งล้อมลาสีนางลิกายอาร์จอนกิขีกิขันดุนออกพรานกิมิเซนเป็นผู้มันผู้ลอกอาชิตีกิดูลงเจียพันอาร์นำพารวลงขวางหังสีกัจจุรุนางลปาจิริกล้อการดมสนุสิงครูไม่พูดการบิจุตังสองติริพิอาไม่เป็นสารบิดาสิงรองปีกองจุนบังการบิจุตังสองติริพิอาไม่อาลังลิพัน
Now Longnit Terang, IPS, he will be felicitated, but due to his busy schedule, he is not here with us. He is not present here at this point in time. But his family member, Kachet Teronpi, will be receiving this award, which is dedicated to Sir Longnit Terang, the IPS, the first Karbi IPS. It's very fortunate for the Karbi people to have such honored person here with us, especially from Low Enero section. Mr. Longnit Terang is being felicitated here, and this award has been received by Kachet Teronpi.
La Sophie Karbi Pirtagahin Karbi Terang Lums lo la pen ke karbia peri kapacit thang along alang li pinang kacerap dundo la pen alang li sini peten ke along ta dolo la so posini to malang li phan phir thak polaso ang dengalong alang li phan karchupon kang tung dolo la si alang li ke sangpi sabina teron pi la selang li phan dak do prote hong chai long ke wang chu phan chu ni dolo pen alang li phan karchu la so lo ding phan chu ni dolo Oh bang, kita tengok si MLA kaya tu deng ponte tribu, tak. Pasila ta puri pede po la thak ningje jelo, papa jena karcho lo, kapano sangpi sabina teron pi, karletang bhim teron la penke sangpi sikahan sepi atau masupi, capong korsing kurarong karbiang long. Akai pi. Aprang sinang lipan karbi jutang asong hin pen ningkan kime hirjume la pen ke jutang ke cinghau na kardom nang lepa jeriglo kardom pini nimer ni pokai pa siang reng karbi rusur rongoje surin koi ra pho kang po melong nang lipan nang likar chu long ke karbi jutang ako pailo pusini tum che hoklo nang li karbe khailong pithe hache ke wang ke apun acha ke chok binong nang ling hembrit kaboching apun acak kecok pen ampart akar bijutang asong hin pen kedeng pon kar bidusum sorong aje pen cenglok jutang kang thurpon ang deng tin along bidi sore la pen hoor kipidun alam kar biara atum sini pame lake nang li phan nang li chorore un e nang li kar bia khe pindeng sumpot ki phir ke thak ahi amar aputhak kabirti kang dir la pen kang thurpon along kethetan aho or nang kipidun alam kar biara chini pame nangling kecepat duk ajoyne asam sarkar hin pen asona anong e nang kapajir ke karbia khai ako pailon kebang jilangar ni nangling hembrit kaboche pen chenglok jutang jubot bindeng sumpot amu kang thur ponalong ho nang pidon alam karbi jutang asong hin pen ke kalketa tengli un e nangli khai arjon ki ke khandun ok pran mesen pen phumen phulok achithe ke dolong jia phan Arnam Parolong Howang Hangsi Kachurong Pajet Eglo Kardom Sono Singkru Mai Pukar Bijutang Song Tiripia Mai Lapengke Bidasing Rongpi Kong Chunbang Karbijutang Song Tiripia Mai Lasi La Solo Kepaji Ria Pan Ilatum Alui Sarpo Kai Dolo Se Siama Kai Tuleram Hang Pasi Kepaji Panchonero
The honor will be given to Sabina Teronpi, the promoter of Karbi Handloom and Textiles and Craft. But Sabina Teronpi is not here with us. He is absent, but her
La
husband,
Sophie
Dar Singh Rongha,
tok lang
is
hin
receiving
education
this award.
tok lang hin ni tu pa jiri ning hang lagi karbi ang bong lang sorlong pong chota kali karbi ang bong lang alang li hello first lo JNU Jawaharlal Nehru University along assistant professor awore ke long dun chenga banglo alang ni men ke sangpi omputerang pi asi omputerang pi bang betul bang beda rokom sudah mane doma oh sami oh kalang lo sami lang tengok tu dah jo asi sami omputerang pi dugudi asi oh kacuro lu pucin je pangceng lok padai kapanong sami omputerang pi kalitang long sing terang lapen binatok bipi atau masupi rong tharwe dipu akai pi aprangsi nang pan kar bijutanga song hin pen ningkan kimia hirjumi lapen ke jutanga chinghon akardom nang lepajer iglo kardom pini nimia ni pokapra siang deng kar bi reserum sur rong aje suriro inkora pho kangpua mailong nang le pan nang le karchu long ke kar bijutang akopailo pusinir tum che hoklo nang le kar be khailong pithe hache ke bangke apuna chak ke chok binong nang li lo chali dunamu ke chapaduk pi ka abang pi binong lasi nang li phan Center for Folk Cultural Studies atipi ke pen School of Social Science University of Hyderabad ahin pen PhD aman kachipalong dun theke nang li phan nang chururi un e nang le karbipi ang bong pen School of Arts and Aesthetics Jawaharlal Nehru University New Delhi along assistant professor mate man ke do lo than bang ang hoi kache palong dun theke karbi akhe afansi nongme ke ban lo anpata arjan kihi lapen kasonse thek anong nam nangli long dolo lake karbi wemia tuma phan atur kimisi ke ban pilo lake wikimia riso jang atum akopai pusi pudam nang kokji ke bang jilangar ni nangli inut ang thikjot lokathan bang pum anong nam kelongjia phansi karbi arat atum tawang cholang dinglo nangli kopai arjan kiki ke khanalong arjon nal kopai arjon kiki koilong okpran kinisen penfumen phulok achi theke dolongjia phan arnam pharwalong howang hangsi kachuro pajir iglo kardom sano singkro mai phu kar bijutanga song tiripia mai lapenge bida sing rongpi kongchun bang kar bijutanga song tiripia mai asalang le phan itom long chen ho kar birichu kai long sing rong hang do salang le phan sila so kar cholu pajir phachon lo.
Now Miss Ompu Terangpi, she will be felicitated by the Karbi King in honor of the first Karbi to be appointed as assistant professor in JNU or Jawaharlal Nehru University. As you can see, she is Miss Ompu Terangpi, first Karbi to get as appointed as assistant professor at Jawaharlal Nehru University. She has been given honor as an education section as the assistant professor
literature ahin
at Jawaharlal Nehru University.
Apan karchu poning hangdo la bangke alangling ningkan sure ko rapli ta son pli anong elongdun la bangke National Literary Award 2024 lo lagi Tranquil Thirst pulaso a poems kitab ajani lo lapengke Brooklyn Award 2024 pulata alang long dulu The Joy of Fall pu so poems kitab ajani lo lapengke International Achievers Award dolang 2024 alang li The Seeds in the Hills pulaso ajani lo apen puthot laso The Seeds in the Hills po kitab na alangli ningkan suri ingkora plia ningkanta Book of World Record London long so World Record dudun lo certificate long dun lo aputhakta pineng la arkoy chiklo la so kitab le thot The Seeds in the Hills po kitab le thot alangli Saito Sports Award long dun lo la penke esi so kitab thot lo ka ta Golden Book Award 2025 alang long dun lo ase langli apal asuki long a join sini tumpan karchu pojening hangsi alang ni men bipolo se alang ni men ke Surendro Singnar alang ni jase mepet Assamese pet English si kapochi kyong sino English asu kapochi pe alang ni pan asu anong ke pajirlo ase alang ni pan ladak hongjai long bang pen alang ni pan ke pajiralo chudeng pan chuneri lo.
Now, Mr. Surendra Sinar will be given honor in honor of recipient of Sahitya Spurs Award 2025 and Golden Book Award 2025. So now at this point in time, on occasion of the 51st Karbi Youth Festival, he will be given honor.
Nangli karchu longke karbi jutang kopailo posini tum jehok lo. Nangli karbi khailong pithe hache ke bangke apuna chak ke chok binong nangli inut lamet lamchong kabuchi kapat tibit thek lapen kabirti thek abang phu binong bangso joining nangli phan National Literary Award 2024 Brooklyn Award 2024 Kolkata International Achievers Award 2024 Certificate of World Record ke longpen like a Book of World Record London 2024, Saito Sports Award 2025, Lapen Golden Book Award 2025, anong kasi palang dun take like a nalikar biake apan nong mesi kevan pilo. Lasi nang lipan karbi jutang asong hinpen nang ni choro de nang li putot anso se lamet lamchong amu kiki kan pon ang thun arja pontusi khai jutang jubat kang thur pon along nangli ho or nang pidun kenang sot thetan binong puthot khai aparman nongme ke wan pithek ji aphan si towang cholang dinglom kewang jilangar ni nangli kai arjon kiki ke khandun okpran misen pen phumen phulok achu the kedolong ji aphan ka be jutang song hin pen arnam pharwalong howang hang si kachuru nangpa jereglo kardom sono singkru maipu karbi jutang song tiripia mai beda sing rongpi kongchun bang karbi jutang song tiripia mai lasila so anong e bang el tumlong non richu nu dutulang lake dumbra karbi cholo lang le holusing ronghang chalang pasi kapaje pamachuna.
Now, Surendra Sinar, the recipient of Sahitya Sparsh Award 2025 and Golden Book Award 2025. So, Mr. Surendra Sinar will be given award at this point in time. He is given honor here. He has contributed a lot towards the Karbi literature. So at this point in time, on occasion of the 51st Karbi Youth Festival, he has been given honor.
Chalap sigiro journalist hinta iluto mangjir inu nong eke long dundo alangli menke protimaing hippie alangli Jaffa achievers anong e pachuning lo kansuring ko rapo anis ke long dulo apalangli ke kopene Bharat Gaurav panong ta long putar julong si alangli sangpi protimaing hippie apa itu Jaffa achievers anong ikelong posi kartuning hang lasi itu kartu panci siklo. Asalang ni kalau tong tu ni siang song kebang pacun dari lo. Kartu lo kapanong sangpi protimaing hippie kalitang sarmendroing hi lapen ke sangpi maluti pangcupi atau masupi Hambong hiarong hawar ke hat karbi anglong. Ake haipi aprangsi nangli pan karbi jutang song hin pen ningkan ki me hirjume la pen ke jutang ke chinghon na kardom nangli paje deklo kardom. Pini ini mea ni phokabe siang den karbi rusumso rongaje surinen ko rapo kangpo melong nangli pan nangli karcho long ke karbi jutang ko pailo posini tum che hoglo nangli karbi akhe along. Pithe hache kebang ke apuna chak ke chok binong nangli hemrit kabuchi apuna chak ke chok pamepen an parata ajak dingpi hempre ke hang kache song lapen ke swalo atum kisung pen ke pajok jia phan kache song aklam along arjap thip abang pi binong นางลิการเบคให้ละเป็นซอลตัวมาพาร์มันกัจจิซองกัจจิปัดดุกอจอยนิสิงจาฟ้า achievers อนงเอละเป็นเกมภารตกรอบปุรสการ national award เจปลองดุนโลละเกนางลิพันนางชโรรีอุนเอเกวังจิลังอันนี้อลังลีเฮมริดกับโบเชเป็นเจงล็อกการเบียแค่พาร์มันละเป็นซอลตุมอากิสุงเป็นกับปะจกเจียพันกัจจิซองอักลามลองอินุตasong jap pipo arjap tipsim karbi ajutang asong ahin pen ning nang chete parpik binong nanglikai arjon ki ke khandun apran messenji ke messen pen pumen phulok ajute ke dolongji aphan arnam pharo along hawang hangsi kachuru nanglepa jeriglo kardom sono singkro mai phu karbi jutang asong tiripia mai lapen bidasing rong pi kong chunbang karbi jutang asong tiripia mai asila so karcho lo pajiri phanili ilu tumlong kachok phado alangling karbia khailong sia anonam keban manglo alang ta thetan anonam keban manglo podmosri dhonesori ti se alang pasi laso anong pajiri panchoneri lo.
Now, Mrs. Pratima Inghipi will be given honor for achieving the award of Jaffa Achievers Award 2024 for Inspiring Women Award, and this award has been given by the Journalists Association for Assam in the year of 2024. So at this point in time, at this very occasion, Dhaneswar Ringti, as you can see, the Padma Shri Dhaneswar Ringti is giving the award to Pratima Inghipi for her achievement for Inspiring Women Award.
Kelong pen pini tum kar chulong lang tum phata nir tum hin pen puthot churu pajir thulo lape kela so kachuru alo nang pajir pia potai lutum mai phu lutum pina alohi kachapa alohi sarpo petanglok alohi khai tum nang pajir piduna pot alu ma churolo la se apisiang de la bangke mohet dagli tum mai phu la pen alohi sarpo pan kethe ding tuma athengnu kangli la so horbong arnam kipulo la se le tama mai phu khai pen la so horbong arnam kipu ke pangcheng ponje panele chunengri
So now the rituals will be performed as we call Horbong Arnam Kipu. So this will signifies the well wishes for the 5 days event of the Karbi Youth Festival. This is the traditional way of performing ritual of the Karbi people. So this will led by Chandrasingh Kro, President of the KCS.
Anam de yo ajunon pithe bim krang kumakrang piring ya poring ya ahemari ahemaklong abra jonang so karaya nam su karaya nam album karaya nam ape karaya nam longri karaya nam longpat karaya nam abra jonang singir jeng long bijitu kleng sarpo anisianko anisiani jonang tungka pinjong tekang nang tungka pinti tekang labang so ajutang labang so ajubat labang so lun labang so alam labang so porong labang so putih sinon kar bijutang song hin pen jo ke pon ke khan pon ka bisum sorong aje katalon along jo ke the tong ke din ke tong riso ke tong yang ke tong saru ke tong sarang ke tong aklim ke tong par ke tong lasi nang pithe nang puthe nang pimukrang pumukrang piringja poringja singneng longneng iru rang silasar po anso sejo nitum ke klema ling ke dam ling tame ning nang pare dunon tin nang pare dunon so sosang ape dun rimor sang ape dun lam ki dun lam dun klema ling ta diam ling sita jo ke klem ke me aphan ke dam ke me aphan anso se ja dak na piduno atun na pidunoi ja kong na piduno horang na pidunoi ani siang ko na tum ke mangateng jo kar biju tang song hin pen chinkia ling sita chethan ling sita klema ling sita dam ling sita lam che don nang ki che don nang ki lam che chap nang ki che chap nang ki lam che chap nang te ki cha nang te ko ya chap ben thot pi dia chap ben thot apra jo na bong chin so na bong ro so jo na ko nang phe ka ro jo ni tum jo pi lu khia chu nang pak long tang te jo na athing ni than no sen bon than no sen jong se jo ni tum jo bathan nang ne jadi nang ne jo me et me pen me phun me et pen rong aje talon pon long ki pulo tang te jo nang bong chin so na bong ro so nang me ki than ri nang le me klang tang le ar bi thong dan tang le kreng phun nang tuk kreng phun nang te kreng phun nang te ni lep thom nang ke dung me ki ngau te de nang tuk te ke de ar nam Sosar morsar lang kinamang say pun say dak de alam. Bong mesen.
As you can see, the president of the Karbi Cultural Society, in presence of all the dignitaries, the
Chorolo,
ritualistic
ito
performance
mapong
has
kromisyon taho.
just completed
Hang
over,
po parawe sa matanan
and the president of the KCS has just announced that the 5 days event will likely to be completed peacefully, and perhaps that may be the reason that this ritualistic performance has been performed here.
Karbi akhel alun lo sila so khailun kilun kichang phan ilutum Central Committee la culture.
Now it's time for the Karbi National Anthem, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are sitting at home, you can rise up and sing along with us the Karbi National Anthem. As a commentator, I'm also standing up to participate in the Karbi National Anthem.
Je ke kroy pamilo la solun phake Karbi khailu binong lo la si solun ke cheng panchon heri lo. Choro lo Karbi khailun kilu jo tom hanta la peke pini pet ke la tum lama kang thu lo so asang deng ke lansi ki julo la si afisi nilutum Karbi jutanga song tiri pi mai hin pen pini da kachitong dun aluhi sarpo phapang jang aluhi kachopa aluhi doan ke the deng tum phan la peke havar pen ke bang tum kachepate bang phutumanta pini la so ang deng napa chudun pame apot nitum thang nang pirik puta nitum ninga klong pa nang tum phan kachuru se pajirlo kardom nang tama choru iklo.
So that's the end of the opening ceremony, ladies and gentlemen, as the Secretary of Karbi Cultural Society has just extended thanks, a word of thanks to all the participants who have been a part of the opening ceremony. And also, gratitude must be extended to all the dignitaries who come here to be a part of the opening ceremony of the 51st Karbi Youth Festival. And this marks the start of this 51st edition of Karbi Youth Festival. So, in the coming days, we will have a lot of events, taking from the cultural events, the dance, the music, and different kinds of competitions will be held in this 5 days long Karbi Youth Festival. So, we invite each and every one of you to please be a part of this cultural extravaganza which has just started and it will last till 19th of February.
Inut IEM matong be pune ho Ino da yam lunsing to lo panchi chuniri lo. Ethnic village long kang puji pang ni chuniri lo kai lunsing to yam kai pan asilang pandam sing kuam pan chuniri lo. Lapen ke market lo make muduram lekte alang sing pui ko. La lo so phi jong ilutum